You step into a clearing you don't recognize. A person you've never seen before is standing there, watching you. No shared language yet, no way to know their intentions. Every instinct in your body tightens. This wasn't rare for your ancestors, it was constant. Anthropologist Wiessner, who spent decades studying the hoansi people of the Kalahari, found something surprising about hunter-gatherer psychology. Default trust wasn't extended to just anyone. Outside close kinship networks, strangers were often treated with real suspicion, sometimes even as potential threats. Survival depended on knowing exactly who belonged to your circle and who didn't. That instinct still lives in you. The tightening in your chest when someone unfamiliar gets too close on an empty street isn't a modern anxiety. It's inherited, passed down, largely unchanged. But here's what actually made humans different from every other primate on the planet. Anthropologist James Woodburn, one of the first researchers to live directly among the Hadza people of Tanzania, documented something remarkable. Despite this natural wariness, hunter-gatherer societies built elaborate systems specifically designed to extend trust beyond blood relatives, something almost no other species ever developed. UCL anthropologist Andrea Migliano's research on hunter-gatherer social networks found a multi-level social structure connecting unrelated families across dozens of separate camps, held together by shared rituals, storytelling traditions, and reciprocal visiting. A stranger from a distant camp wasn't automatically an enemy. They were a potential node in a much larger web, one that could be activated through the right customs, the right introductions, the right shared stories. Strangers weren't trusted by default. They became trusted deliberately through repeated, structured contact. Economist Benjamin Enke's cross-cultural research points to something else entirely. Societies built around trade routes, rivers, and travel developed far more open attitudes toward outsiders than isolated, hard-to-reach communities ever did. Contact bred tolerance. Isolation bred suspicion. Trust wasn't simply a feeling your ancestors happened to have. It was infrastructure, built deliberately, generation after generation. So the next time you meet someone new and feel that instinctive caution rise up before you've even spoken a word, know this: that wariness is ancient, older than language itself. But so is your species' extraordinary, almost unmatched ability to override it and build real trust with a total stranger anyway.